Don't worry, Tatro, you'll go bald one day.
Yeah, my ass is. Where's that red tool I had laying out for you to use?
Which one?
The one that was sitting down there, the red screwdriver.
Oh, that might be it.
Oh, geez, like the one I brought out to use. Yeah, that one. Dumbasses.
See, Tatro, you always cursing in the fucking
All right,
video,
we got
man.
this hooked up. He's got a lot of free play on that. Hopefully he likes it that loose.
Like, you know how I need my clutch, Tatro.
Yeah, it's loosey.
Performance division. You know I'm straight hogging performance division.
Loosey goosey.
Performance division.
How's the battery charger going? Still charging? Yeah, he said the battery's fully up. It's been sitting for a year. Yeah. Okay, is the gasket in there or not?
It's fucking hanging out.
See, I told you it wasn't in there.
Hanging out.
That's why I didn't put it together all the way.
I'm hanging out.
I was working on it. Just like your gas tank was tight. Yeah, sure it was. Oh, we fixed the gas tank petcock. I put the new O-ring in there. We had to take the gas tank. Yeah, see, that's how it was working. Just perfect, see? And then we, there's two O-rings upside the gas tank. One like its head, and then a big one. And the little small one was the one that was all rolled up, and the new one was cracked and broken, so I replaced it.
That's how hard I ride, y'all.
Yeah.
Remember,
sure.
Tatro Machine, San Diego.
That's it. Okay, we gotta cut that baggie open there a little bit. Don't lose those little small O-rings though.
Yeah.
Not sure where they go yet. They must go somewhere with a kit. They give you a kit.
Yeah, they for the screws, the 3 screws up under the tank.
Under the tank.
Yeah, the 3 screws, the drain plugs.
Oh, is that what those are for?
Yeah, for the 3.
Oh, we could have used that. Don't lose that. We need one of those for your drain plug. Put that on your oil, your main oil tank. Remember it's bad?
The drain plug.
Okay, let's see if this one fits.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this one here looks like it might fit. Look at that.
Everything he do is on the show. Got 4,500, $35,000.
We've got 4 people looking at this. That's all that cares. All right. It's gonna work now. Put this stupid footboard in my way. Damn it.
Some asshole.
Hard, right? Do everything.
Straight to strip.
We already know this ain't gonna be strip on this side.
Does that mean like strip the parts off or?
On his bike, yes.
No, you know, we all done went to the races before Tatro put out the old army bike. No, his other race bike.
Yeah.
The black one?
The blue one.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
Bike he liked to burn so much fucking rubber on.
Is that the 1 cylinder? The Sportster?
Hey, honey. All right, what do we got here? I'm missing a screw. There it is. What's this other screw over here?
Which one, Tatro? Oh, I thought that was to the cover of the gas leak, that chrome shit, but it wasn't.
Oh, it doesn't go right here. That goes there. You find your dash cover yet?
What'd you say, boss man?
Find the dash cover yet?
Yeah, the dash cover's alright, but look, Tatro, I need a fucking piece of rubber to go under it, bro.
Hey, quit swearing on my videos.
Alright, sorry about that, Tatro's television.
You're not sorry about anything. Alright, what do you got? Almost got
Family
it.
channel.
That's a lot of free play.
That's too much.
That's why you want it adjusted up tight. You got loose.
The skinny wanted it like that, Tatro, not me.
You did. You wanted to set the filter for set the cars, so not me.
Well, if it's not right, we're gonna for sure get to it.
We'll have to go back down there and put that adjusted again.
No problem.
Just get in there. Okay, where's your cover at?
Tatro, one of your customers took the rubber that goes under it.
What rubber?
You notice the rubber piece that goes right here, then it come
I
on.
don't know what the hell goes on there.
You know, some rubber.
Is it laying on the down top thing over there? Do you know that?
Let me see. Focus.
Where's the whole bolt that goes there?
Which bolt?
Looks like a 1/4-inch screw of some type.
Nothing goes in there. The seat clamps right here, Tatro.
It goes right here. In there. Big thing here. Where's that go?
At the end.
Does it go in that hole right there?
Maybe. Let me see.
We don't have any screws for that though. Well, we got some big long ass Allens. That's too damn long.
Yeah.
But don't the seat has to go there, right? So maybe it's the right length.
No, we need some kind of an Allen, but not this.
You want me to get your box?
Need a short Allen. Probably a button head. They'd probably use a stupid Torx head or some dumbass thing like that.
Yeah, they would.
Yeah, what about in here? Covers. Look in the covers. Everything's hidden in here. We can't find. The gas cap. Any gas cap? I found one. There. What's this for?
Oh, for pens, right?
Anything on that side?
No, sir.
That's not be anything important then. All right. We'll go find ourselves a dash cover rubber thing and we'll be back.
I need to put my boots on for that ride. Huh?
Tatro said, you're gonna get a fucking new one. Gave me a black instead of a chrome.
That's cool. Must be, he ain't gonna put that dirty shit back up in that good motor. That cool motor, you know what he's doing.
Well, he's gonna have to change it now to put a chrome one on it.
That later.
I'm guarantee you he's gonna change it now.
Yeah, he do it on
Tatro, do we gotta do a heat cycle as well?
It's a brand new motor. You gotta do a lot of stuff.
brand new motor.
So I gave you the one with the nut on the end of it. That's the cost. I get more money that way. That's good. What else do we
You
got?
find a screw for here?
Don't have that. We got one here that you can use.
You got a bottom screw thing too, huh?
It's kind of funny, Tatro. I had everything from my fucking bike. Now screws are missing.
Yeah, it's almost like somebody abandoned it here. Would it look like this screw's been sitting here for who knows how long?
He said abandoned it.
Here's got a penny here too. Is that yours also?
That's my penny.
Cheap.
I understand I'm cheap.
Is that your screw there? It's black.
What that mean? Cause I'm black.
Damn right.
Where your other screw? Where that little one you
I
had?
took it out.
No, we'll put that there and hold it. That'll hold it down.
Stainless one.
So I thought you were gonna get a tire.
I was no a back tire, but what
Got
this
rubber on there.
throwing?
It's got air in it.
I get want to get back.
Where's the red handle screwdriver?
It's inside on your solvent tank.
It's right
Oh no, there it is in
Hey,
there.
open this up.
The red handle wire.
What the-
Nope. Right there. Turn it.
This is orange. You don't know your colors?
Safety orange? Yeah,
Yeah.
looks just like that.
Safety orange. My bike ain't safety. Candy. Candy pink.
Pink, huh?
Candy pink.
Okay, this doesn't work as stripping, but it'll hold it for now. Not the right part. Got gas in it? Got oil in it?
No
You filming?
oil. Camera's on. No
Camera's
oil.
on, no oil. Did you put oil in the motor yet?
Nope.
That's why I didn't leak out the cap.
You gonna put oil in it?
Yeah.
We got 3 of these and 1 of those. Waiting for me, it's been here for an hour waiting for you to put in the bike. They do everything around here.
Just like a sensei, Tatro.
Do you know where it goes?
You got a fucking funnel?
Nope. You need a funnel now? You need a funnel? Where's your funnel at? Did you bring one with you?
Nah.
Please. You want everything.
Oh, hold on. He about to tell you. Everybody get a pen. They tell you right up there, these pipes, they mingle in and out.
Hello. Hello.
Next thing you want to be a clean funnel, right?
Yeah, it's like that clean oil.
You got an oil clean funnel?
Okay.
Here you go, sir.
Yes. Roll.
Better give him a rag, too.
All right.
He's gonna make a mess. I can tell. Oh, the only clean thing on the bike. Look at that saddlebag. Is that clean? Is that old oil you're putting in there, or good oil?
Whatever Tatro gave me,
Oh, that's.
for all of you viewers,
I gave you the cheap crap.
for all of you viewers,
There we go. Getting a full view again. Look at that polish on that bike. Where's your license plate?
Harley, buddy.
You're San Diego Harley now?
Yes, sir.
How long can you run with that on the back before you get pulled over?
I've been riding it for about 4 years now.
Alright, great. Well, here's your extra pin over here. Here's your missing pin that you didn't put back in the bike. Look how nice.
That's things to help. Next time, don't let no one take nothing off the bike.
Especially the damn gas tank rubber, right?
Thank you.
Alright, we're gonna fill the bike up. We'll be back.